Curling leaves of pepper plants are one of the most common and destructive issues of peppers. So in this video we will see what causes the pepper leaves to curl and what is the step-by-step way to cure them. So let's know, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. First of all, we will see what causes the leaf curl problem. The first and the most common cause of pepper plants curling leaves is the nutrients deficiency. Especially calcium deficiency causes the pepper leaf curl. Pepper plant is a heavy feeder and requires a lot of nutrients to grow, and if it's not getting enough nutrition, the curling leaves is the plant's way of saying give me more nutrition. Mostly the plant slows down its growth. In such condition, new leaves grow, but very slowly. Its immune system also weakens, making it more susceptible to other fatal diseases. If you are using a fertilizer, maybe the fertilizer doesn't have calcium element in it, or maybe the soil pH is not ideal. It's either very acidic or very alkaline. In both conditions, the plant stops absorbing the soil nutrients, and hence nutrients shortage even when nutrients are available in the soil. So you can check this by a pH meter. It's linked in the description box to buy. For the fertilizer, you should have a balanced fertilizer for your pepper plants. You can use this homemade vegetables fertilizer. It's most ideal for peppers. Video on making this fertilizer is added in the description box. Make it and use it every 2 weeks at the evening time. Another common cause of pepper leaf curl disease is the soil compaction or poor drainage. Pepper plants are sensitive to soil mix. They want their mixture to be perfect for growing, means it should be loose, fertile and well draining. In a hard and compact kind of soil mix, the roots struggle to grow, and this hurdle appears on the plant growth in the form of curling leaves. The plant leaves starts to curl with the time. New growth happens very less, while lower leaves may stay green and healthy looking. If your soil media is hard or staying wet all the time, you should change it, otherwise the plant won't grow no matter what you do. Soil is a fundamental part of planting and growing. You can make a good potting mix for most of your plants at home for free. Video on this cheap recipe is added in the description box. Use such a mixture while transplanting your peppers, and for existing plants, you can carefully change the soil. And do subscribe to learn more about plants. Another cause of pepper leaf curl disease is the pest infestation. It's a serious and fatal issue. Unlike other causes, this kind of leaf curl disease spread from one plant to another. Pepper plants curls their leaves when attacked by a pest. Minor attack won't harm, but if the pest, mostly whiteflies and leaf miners, carrying a virus inside of them, then the chances of pepper leaf curl virus attacking rises a lot. Means the pest can transfer the virus in the plant body. In minor cases, plant may fight off the virus, but in severe pest attacks, the whole plant is infected. The new growth happens, but all curly and abnormal looking. All the leaves of the plant starts curling. There is no way to cure the virus. Only we can reduce the pest attack, and with this the virus will fade and plant will fight off the virus on its own. A less infected plant can recover, but if the viral attack is severe, there is no way plant gonna survive. Better to dispose such a plant as soon as possible, otherwise it will infect the other pepper plants too. For reducing the pest attack, you can use Neem spray every 2 days all over the plant. Do this at the evening time. Video on Neem making is linked in the description box. Another cause of curling pepper leaves is the seasonal change. When the weather changes, the temperature around the plant sometimes fluctuate very rapidly, and this thing puts a lot of stress on the plant, and hence the plant shows some curling leaves. This seasonal transition should be slow, but we can't predict the exact weather, so we can just wait. As the plant adjusts in the new season, the new leaves will start growing normal. If your plant is placed in a full sun in an open area, better to move it in a bright shade for some days. In an open area, the seasonal intensity is much more than a shaded area. Another reason of pepper plants curled leaves is the shock. This shock happens several times, like when we repot a plant. Most plants turns their leaves yellow and drop them, but pepper plants make them curl. It's because of the repotting or transplant. Nothing to worry, it will recover within a week. Just don't put it in a sunny area. When we bring a plant home, again plant faces a shock due to change of place. Again curl its leaves. And this also happens. Such a shock weakens the plant and it became more susceptible to pest or became unable to absorb nutrients efficiently, etc. So this way they are connected. So indirectly this can also cause pepper leaf curl disease. Here you can also subscribe to our channel. Now let me tell you some simple steps to treat a leaf curl problem of pepper plants. First of all, you have to identify what's the main cause. It could be nutrients shortage, could be bad soil, could be pest attack, or sometimes two of these. But whatever it is, you have to make it right. If you can't identify the cause, reach out to me from the description WhatsApp link. Once you make the main cause right, now move the plant to a semi-shaded area where there is not so much of sun. This will give some time to the plant to recover better. At such time, pests attack on such weak plants, so better to use Neem spray once a week so the pest won't take over. Make sure the infected plant is separated from other pepper plants, especially in case of viral leaf curl. This will prevent the spreading of the disease. If one plant is very much infected, there is no point of treating it because it's not gonna make so much of a fruit in the future. Same way, if a pepper seedling is infected, it's not gonna produce healthy fruiting, so there is no point of keeping it. Pepper plants are mostly grown from seeds and within 8 to 10 months they produce fruit. Afterwards, farmers dispose them and grow again from seeds. It's because the young plants are more immune from leaf curl, while after one fruiting, the plant becomes much more susceptible to diseases. That's also a point you should know about. So it's all about pepper's leaf curl problem. Here the detailed guide on calcium uses for plants and its organic sources. Calcium is very useful for pepper plants, so take a look and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.